Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and my dining area was almost as dark as a cave with this single bulb ancient light fixture, but now that problem has been completely solved thanks to this Capslpad chandelier light fixture. This chandelier has beautiful overlapping layers of cream-colored wooden beads. This pairs so well with the jute wrapping around the frame. I find the design of this light fixture to be really simple yet extremely stunning. I was pleasantly surprised by how well it complements my current decor. It completely harmonizes with my other light fixture in my living room without being too matchy-matchy. The 3-bulb design is great, and the spacing between the wooden beads allows for a lot of light to filter out. It has brightened up our dining room so much. I'm really excited for the next time that we can have guests over, because now we will be able to see whatever we're eating, and we will also have enough light to be able to play a game. This Capslpad light fixture has made our dining area so much more inviting and so much more welcoming, and it has been a gorgeous addition to our space. And that's my point of view.